Hello everyone. In last year we did vehicle programs using the vehicle blocks. So vehicle forward, vehicle reverse, vehicle stop or setup vehicle. These were vehicle blocks. In addition to that, the hard right turn and hard left turn. These are also vehicle blocks. How do you know which are the vehicle blocks and which are not? In vehicle block we control two motors, left motor and right motor together. So those are vehicle blocks. Here also if you see hard right turn, left speed, right speed. So we are controlling both the motors together. This year we will understand how these vehicle blocks are created, because we are giving instructions to left and right motors separately. In reality, Arduino sends the command separately to left motor and right motor. So how is that done? For that, this year we will use single motor commands. So we will not use these. This year we are going to use left motor and right motor separately. If you remember, when we had vehicle setup command, setup vehicle, it was working with 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6 pins. And if I attach left motor, I am setting up 2, 3, 5, 3 pins. And if I attach right motor, I am setting up 4, 7, 6, another 3 pins. So 3 pins for left motor, 3 pins for right motor. And the same thing was achieved by setup vehicle, 2, 3, 5, 4, 7, 6, left motor, right motor. So actually there is very little difference between these single block and using these two blocks together. So to set up motor, I will use left motor and right motor. So going by that, what we'll need to do is rotate left motor and rotate right motor. That should rotate both motor together, correct? Then I should wait for certain time so that I allow the vehicle to go forward, maybe for let's say 2 seconds. And finally, instead of using vehicle stop to stop vehicle, we will use stop left motor and stop right motor. They should work, isn't it? You'll find this doesn't work. There is a reason, and for that you need to understand how the vehicle is made. The vehicle is made with wheels attached to the left and right motor, both motors looking outside. And when we go ahead, when we move forward, the vehicle moves forward. If you observe, the right hand side wheel is rotating in a clockwise direction. So if you look from the right hand side, when the vehicle is moving forward, you can see the vehicle's wheel is moving in a clockwise direction. Because here I'm not giving forward or reverse direction, I'm saying clockwise or anti-clockwise. So I need to understand how the wheels move. So right motor is moving clockwise, and if you look the vehicle from the left hand side and see how the left motor is moving, and you will observe that left motor is actually moving anti-clockwise. Though it is moving forward, but forward for left motor is anti-clockwise, and hence I need to select here anti-clockwise. With this arrangement, our vehicle will move forward, not if both are clockwise. The left motor has to be anti-clockwise so that our vehicle moves forward. And that is the most important thing about vehicle programming. Though both the motors are moving in a forward direction, in terms of clockwise and anti-clockwise, for right motor forward is clockwise, for left motor forward is anti-clockwise. And so this code is going to move our vehicle forward for 2 seconds and then stop.